Hey guys, all right, today we're going to talk to you about sprouting seeds. They are actually pretty easy and extremely nutritious. So the things that you need to have on hand first start is your sprouting seeds, and you can get them online just about anywhere. This particular kind is a 3-part salad mix, but there are many different kinds that you want to try. This one has radish in it, and my kids think it's just a smidge spicy, but it's not. I don't think so. So then what you need is a wide mouth quart jar, and then something that has, see, my stepdad made me this lid. So you just need something that has small enough holes that you can rinse the seeds out in, but that the sprouts won't come through. So the first day that you want to do is just put some water in the bottom of your quart jar. Take about a tablespoon of your sprouting seeds. Throw them in. Ta-da! You're done on day number 1. That's it. You can put your lid on there. You can put a coffee filter on there so it's breathable but no dust gets in there. I just use my lid here, which you can get online as well. So then the next days what you'll do is you'll put, I'm going to take the lid off of here and put it on here, and then you're going to rinse the water out. And all you got to do is rinse the seeds 3 times for a day for 3 days, and then you'll see them to sprout up, right? And these are fully sprouted. So right now, today, I'm going to take these out of the jar and store them on in a wet napkin or a paper towel in the fridge, and then they will be good. While they are sprouting, though, in between your rinsing, I like to leave them on an edge without breaking things, right? I put a towel underneath, then I leave them there like that just to kind of drain out. I have left them up, sitting up like this, and they have rotted, and it smells pretty gross. So that's all you got to do. Get your seeds. Get a sprouting lid in a mason jar, soak them for the first night, and then after that, they get rinsed 3 times a day with your fancy sprouting lid, upside down like this on a tilt, on an angle, and I just use the same towel every time. So that's pretty easy. And then you get nutritious sprouts. I use on my wraps, salads, tacos, whatever you want. So now that I'm enjoying these ones, I'm starting a new batch. So then when I'm done with these, I get one, and you can have a couple jars going at different stages. All right, hope you enjoyed this and hope it helps.